Lesson 13. The Jackal and the Rodents. Once upon a time, there lived an indolent jackal in a forest. He did not like hunting as it took a lot of running to hunt down the rabbits and bambicoots. He had always been thinking of a way to get easy meals without doing any tiring effort. But in order to fill his stomach, he must needed something or other. So he hit upon an idea. The jackal knew that there were lots of stupid creatures in the jungle. Making use of their stupidity was one possibility to make his plan work. Some rodents were running around making a lot of noise a little away from the bush. The jackal watched the rodents. There were dozens of them. It was obvious that nearby hillocks were full of rodent colonies. The jackal's mouth watered. He decided to trick those fat rodents into becoming its easy meals. It surveyed carefully and saw the hillock where exactly they lived. The next morning, the cunning jackal stood on one back foot near the colony of the rodents. It faced the rising sun. It had its eyes closed. The rodents here were surprised when they saw a jackal standing in a very funny pose. A rodent went near it to ask, "Big uncle, why do you stand on one leg?" The jackal opened one eye and said, "Idiot, haven't you heard about me? If I pull all my legs down, the earth will fall down in deep hell and that will kill you all. I have to stand like this for the sake of you." The rodent chief could not understand how the earth would fall if the jackal pulled all his legs on it. So he asked, "Oh great jackal, please tell us something about yourself." The jackal spoke, "For hundreds of years I did deep penance standing on one leg in the snow-clad Himalayas. The penance ended when God showered flowers on me, and God said that by virtue of penance my body had become so heavy that if I put all my 4 legs on earth, the earth will sink to the burning hell. All the creatures on the earth survives on my mercy. I am on one leg since then for the sake of all creature kind." All the rodents gathered. They paid respect to the jackal with folded hands. Someone asked, "Great uncle, why do you face the sun?" "To worship the sun god," it replied the jackal. "And why is your mouth open?" "To take in air. I don't eat food. My divine power turns air into biological energy which keeps me alive," claimed the jackal. The rodents were impressed by the talk of the jackal. They were no more afraid of the sun jackal. The crowd drew nearer to it. The jackal was very pleased to see the stupid rodents believing him. Now the rodents became staunch devotees of the saintly jackal. It was a new god. The rodents would gather around him every morning and evening to listen about his miracle powers. This drew more rodents to the jackal. The rodents would return to their holes late at night. The jackal would grab last 3 or 4 rodents and would eat them. Then it would sleep whole night. Early in the morning, he would go to his appointed place to stand in his usual pose of giant jackal, and the act continued. With the passage of some time, the chief of rodents noticed that gradual lesser numbers of the rodents of his colony, which made him worried. One day he asked Saint Jackal about this matter. "Oh, Saint Jackal, for the last few days I have been noticing that the number of the rodents is decreasing. What's going on?" The jackal raised his paw and announced, "O rodent of little wisdom, what is happening? It is very natural. It was bound to be so. Whoever worships me with true faith goes to the kingdom of heaven. Many of my devotee rodents have been blessed." The chief closely examined a pot belly. It had become very fat. "Is its belly the kingdom of heavens where the rodents have gone?" he wondered. The chief alerted other rodents about it and decided to go to the holes last of all the rodents. When the rodents were going into their holes after singing, the jackal tried to grab the tail enders. The rodent chief was at the end tail. It was altered and jumped out of the reach of the jackal's paw. Then the chief called all rodents to attack, and the chief itself went for the throat of the deceitful jackal. Hundreds of rodents covered the jackal and tore it bit by bit with their sharp teeth. The jackal could not escape because died an agonizing death. Word meaning: indolent, lazy; rodents, rats; scheming, crafty; penance, any voluntary suffering as religious act; deceitful, disloyal, cheater; agonizing, painful. Let's learn grammar. The past perfect tense. The past perfect tense refers to an action or event that took place in the past before another action event happened. Example: the train had left the platform before we reached there. We use the past perfect tense while talking about two past actions. The past before tense is used to show the action that took place either of the two. Example: Surya accepted that he had stolen my pen. We use the past perfect tense to refer to an event or action that has happened in the past and is referred with words like ago or before. Study the following examples. I had gone to visit the Taj Mahal 2 years ago. I had seen the movie before.